I'm going to press the emergency button. It's going to be funny.
Judge Hopkins.
What on earth? We're trapped. Now, all the firefighters have to come to get us out.
Judge Hopkins, we will be in big trouble because of you.
Please, stand clear of the doors. I'm prying them open. Why did you guys need a firefighter?
Our son Judge Hopkins pressed the emergency button in the elevator on purpose. We will punish him.
What? You wasted my time. The fire department will sue you all.
Judge Hopkins, how dare you press the emergency button on purpose?
That's it. You're grounded for 12,000